Graph the solution set to 5 is less than 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 9, and express it in interval notation. This is another double inequality, but in this case we have not already been given it with x isolated, because we can see in the middle it's not just x, but we've got 2x minus 3. Now we need to isolate the x here, just like we do in other inequalities, but with a double inequality there are 3 parts to the inequality: the left side, the middle part, and the right side. And so anytime we do something to the middle, we also have to do it to the left and right sides. With an equation, when we do something to one side, we have to do it to the other. And the same thing is true here, but there's 3 different parts where we have to do the same thing to each part. So to get x alone, we need to get rid of that negative 3, and we can do that by adding 3. But we have to add 3 to all 3 parts of the inequality here. On the left, that gives us 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then that's less than. In the middle, we're left with 2x because the 3's cancel, and then that is less than or equal to 12 because 9 plus 3 is 12. Now, to get x all by itself, we have to get rid of that 2, and we have to divide by 2. So that means we have to divide all 3 parts of the inequality by 2. So that gives us 4 on the left is less than x, which is less than or equal to 6 on the right. And so our final answer, for the inequality at least, is 4 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 6. Basically, x is between 4 and 6, and it's not allowed to be 4, but it is allowed to be 6. Now, once we've isolated x, we can actually graph this. 2, 4, 6, 8. We know that x is between 4 and 6, so we can shade in the region between 4 and 6. Now, x is not allowed to be 4, so we're going to have an open circle there. It's not my best open circle ever, but it's still an open circle. And then x is allowed to be 6, so we've got a closed circle there. And then in interval notation, we can write this as parenthesis 4 comma 6 bracket. And that's our final answer.